Hello, welcome to video presentation DIY Green Gadget Equipment and Tools Mold Mixing bowl and spoon Materials Wet paper Sawdust Natural rubber glue
First of all, use the leftover paper and make it into 5 pieces.
Second, place it with natural glues.
Third, place add sawdust powder in a mixing bowl.
Then mix different material together.
Then wait for the ingredient together, then forming.
Next, pour it into the mold and wait until it dries.
The dry parts are used to form a shell. Finally, the decorated beautiful.
Thank you for watching.